In any selling situation, knowledge is key. However, there's a specific sect of enthusiast customers that you should be prepared for who may have a bit more knowledge than the average customer. In this video, let's talk about selling to these overlanding enthusiasts next. While most customers may have little to no knowledge about a tire purchase before coming into your shop, overlanding tire customers already have an understanding of their tire needs. With that being said, it's up to you to have an even deeper understanding of these tires to help guide them through their next overlanding tire purchase. When it comes to this segment of tires, it's important to know the products that you offer inside and out. That means knowing the nuances behind the tire's construction, compound, and tread pattern. Get the lowdown from manufacturers on the features and benefits of these tires as well. Like any tires, overlanding tires are designed to meet the specific needs of the end consumer. Ask the customer for specific information, like what size they need and what their vehicle's minimum load index requirement is. Also, don't forget to ask how often they go off-roading, the conditions they usually encounter when they do, and how much experience they have with off-roading. The driver's experience with off-roading should help you shape your recommendation, and it'll likely be different from person to person. Between AT, RT, and MT tires, there's a lot to choose from if you're a customer, so it's up to you to know which to recommend and in what situation to recommend it. For example, customers who only go off-road camping occasionally and encounter lower difficulty trails, all-terrain tires should be perfect for them. For those adventure seekers who look for more of a challenge like dealing with mud, desert driving, or rocky terrain, it's better to recommend an RT or an MT tire. Also, depending on the vehicle, you should think about the wheel travel the vehicle can provide for proper clearance and to avoid rubbing if selecting a larger diameter tire. Heck, even asking the customer what they may be traveling with, like bikes or camping equipment, is important for figuring out load ranges. Asking questions and finding out these important facts can help you find a tire that matches your customer's preferences perfectly. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.